Hi there, I'm Mark here and I'm going to show you the 6 procedures on how to build, develop project plans easily. So first things first is research. Research answers the question, is it possible? So when we do about research, we are going to search about concept. Concept is all about the principles, the knowledge, the science, the mechanism you are going to learn in order for you to make your project plans. Then the next is the review of related literature. This talks about the related work that is done already, and that kind of work is your basis to develop more machine. So what are the related literature? So how can I make it? So in order for you to make it, you have a actual basis. You search for something that is um, real. So for you to be able to provide a actual basis, so some websites like YouTube has a lot of DIYs, hacks, um, how to make things from scratch, how to recycle things from this to this. So that kind of work. So after you have research, the next thing you are going to do is design planning. So design planning answers the question, what is or are my basis? So when you do design planning, it talks about the visualization of your machine. It could be a drawing presentation, as you can see here, or this visualize the machine you are going to make with the knowledge and information you have researched with. So the next is the software aided modeling. So when you do design planning, actually software aided planning like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and all those kind of softwares gives you the visualization. The third procedure is the materials. So after you have planned your design, so you gather the materials needed. So it answers the question, is it available? Is it available in markets? Is it available in shops? What if I have this kind of thing? It is it available in the market? So it answers to the question, is it available? So gain the materials and equipments needed. And the very best for you, for your design to be efficient, to be more economical, recycle is the best thing to do. So recycle if necessary, so that your machine is not so expensive and not so costly. The fourth procedure is fabricate. So after you have gathered all your parts, all your equipment, you can now build and assemble your machine. So part by part, assemble your machine and do the mechanical works. So this would be welding, this would be tightening a bolt attached to this kind of part. So those kind of things. So the next procedure, the fifth procedure, is testing. So in this testing, this is the climax of your design plan, because you have the excitement and you have wondering, does it work, or it answers the questions, can it run, or my machine could do this, or my machine can operate. So those kind of questions pop in our mind in testing procedure, because here is the many questions about the things. What if the machine did not work? So if the machine didn't work, then do again the research, do the design planning again, and then materials, and then fabricate. Because try and try until you succeed. That's the phrase here. Because if you fail on the first attempt, you cannot give up right there. You just have to move on and do the reverse engineering. So experiment the things and experiment your machine. It will lead to more knowledgeable achievements that will learn you, that will teach you lessons. So the last procedure is the finishing touches. So finishing touches is the last part and the most achievable thing you have encountered. It's because you are already done. Then design at your own accord and modify what is lacking. So so explore and explore, and you have the things that others can't do, and you have the knowledge that others can do. So that will give you a very unique of your own. That would be all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from me. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And see you in the next video. Ciao.